Good morning, my dear children. Welcome back to Science Online class. Hope you all are prepared well for today's test. And today we know our science test. Children, you all know the portions and patterns. Okay, there are two lessons, that is animals that lay eggs and what animals do for us. So, shall we start the revision, children? Are you all ready? Yes. Let's start the revision with missing letters. First one, insects. INSECTS, insects. Second, grubs. GRUBS, grubs. Third one, caterpillar. CATERPILLAR, caterpillar. Fourth one, turtle. TURTLE. Fifth one, crocodile. CROCODILE, crocodile. Sixth one, ostrich. OSTRICH, ostrich. Seventh one, vegetarians. VEGETARIANS, vegetarians. Eighth one, non-vegetarians. NONVEGETARIANS, non-vegetarians. Ninth one, manure. MANURE, manure. Tenth one, cocoon. COCOON, cocoon. Then 11th one, bullock. BULLOCK, bullock. Next, choose the correct answer. First one, baby insects are called grubs or caterpillar. Okay, what is the name of baby insects? Yes, baby insects look like worms are called grubs. GRUBS. Second, birds keep their eggs warm until they hatch or catch. Birds keep their eggs warm until they hatch. HATCH, hatch. Third one, the eggs of fish looks like cotton or jelly. The eggs of fish looks like jelly. JELLY, jelly. Then fourth one, crocodile lay their eggs in water or holes. Where they will lay the eggs, children? Crocodile lay their eggs in holes. HOLES. Then fifth one, nurses look after baby bees or butterfly. Nurses look after baby bees. BES, bees. Sixth one, spiders wrap their eggs in a bag of thread or leaves. Okay, where they will wrap their eggs? In the thread. THREAD, thread. Seventh one, people who eat the flesh of animals are called vegetarians or non-vegetarians. People who eat the flesh of animals are called non-vegetarians. NONVEGETARIANS, non-vegetarians. Eighth one, leather is made from the skin or fur of animals. Leather is made from the skin of animals. Ninth one, honey is made by bees or ants. Honey is made by bees. BES, bees. Tenth one, dung is used as manure or medicine to help plants to grow. Dung is used as manure, MANURE, to help plants to grow. Next one, fill in the blanks. First one, insects babies look like worms are called dash. Insects babies look like worms are called grubs. Then dash lay the biggest eggs. Which bird lay the biggest eggs, children? Yes, ostriches lay the biggest eggs. Then third one, a caterpillar grow up to become a dash or moth. A caterpillar grows up to become a butterfly. Then Bees and dash are special insects. Which are special insects, children? Yes, bees and ants are special insects. Fifth one, turtle and crocodile lay their eggs in dash. Turtles and crocodile lay their eggs in holes in the ground. Okay, sixth one, dash make silken thread. Which will make silken thread? Spiders make silken thread. Seventh one, dung is used as dash to help plants to grow. Dung is used as manure. 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 Eighth one, dash make honey from the juice of flowers. Okay, we all know bees make honey from the juice of flowers. Ninth one, people who eat the flesh of animals are called? Yes, very good. They are non-vegetarians. Then 10th one, dash is used to make warm clothes. Which is used to make warm clothes? Yes, wool is used to make warm clothes. Next, write true or false. First one, birds are wonderful parents. Is it true, children? Yes, it is true. Birds spend a lot of time building a nest for their babies. They are wonderful parents. So it is true. Second one, birds' eggs are different sizes and colors. Is it true? Yes, it is also true. Birds' eggs are of different sizes and colors, and ostriches lay the biggest egg. Third one, leather is made from the skin of animals. Is it true, children? Yes, it is also true. The animals like buffaloes, crocodile, after they died, the skin is used to make leather. So it is also true. Then fourth one, we get silk from sheep. Is it true, children? From where we get silk? We get silk from silkworm. So it is false. Fifth one, donkey is used for fluffing. Is it true? No, donkey is used to carry loads. So it is also false. Sixth one, wool is used to make warm clothes. Is it true? Yes, it is true. Wool is used to make woolen clothes. When we will use woolen clothes, children? In winter season. So it is true. And seventh one, dogs are used to plough the fields. Is it true? No, dogs are used to guard houses and farms. So it is also false. Then eighth one, elephants are used to carry logs from forest. Is it true, children? Yes, it is true. Then ninth one, ants or bees are called special insects. Is it true? Yes, ants and bees are called special insects. So it is true. Choose the odd one. First one, cat, dog, horse, tiger. One of these is a wild animal. You know what is wild animal? Wild animal lives in forest. And here, which animal lives in forest, children? Yes, very good. It is tiger. Second one, bullock, camel, donkey, dog. One of these does not help to carry loads. Which animal does not help to carry loads? It is dog. And other animals like bullock, camel, donkey are used to carry loads. Third one, chicken, cat, sheep, goat. One of these does not give us food. Here, which animal does not give us food, children? It is cat. Fourth one, egg, paneer, butter, ice creams. One of these does not come from cows. Okay, from where we get eggs, children? Okay, hen gives us egg. And others are milk product, that is paneer, butter and ice cream. Then we get milk from cows. Then fish, prawn, crab, goat. One of these gives milk. Which animal gives milk, children? Here, goat. Then camel, bullock, donkey, buffalo. One of these not used for fluffing. Here, which animal is not used for fluffing? Yes, donkey. It is used to carry loads. Answer the following. First one, what are grapes? Children, what are grapes? Insect babies look like worms are called grapes. Second one, name two special insects. Bees and ants are called special insects. Third one, where the turtle and crocodile hide their eggs. Where they will hide their eggs, children? Turtle and crocodile hide their eggs in holes in the ground. Then fourth one, name some foods that which are come from milk. Okay, they are paneer, ghee, butter, yogurt and ice cream. Fifth one, which animals are used to plough the fields? Which animals are used for ploughing fields, children? They are bullock, buffaloes and camels are used to plough the fields. Sixth one, what are guard dogs? The dogs which are used to guard houses and farms. They are called guard dogs. Children, learn and revise all the questions and write and see in a rough note without any mistakes. So children, write your test very neatly with legible handwriting. And don't forget to write the index number 3, date and unit test 3. Then take a new page. At the top you want to write your name and class. Then first line the subject, that is science. Then next line October monthly test. Children, no need to copy the questions. As soon as you finish the test, you can send the snapshot during the time given. Okay children, then all of them want to try to score full marks. All the best children. Thank you.